Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Optimum Cable channel. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and then go to Google. Now in the Google search bar, search for Optimum TV Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this site of Optimum Net Cable, where you can see that you can enter your Optimum ID and your password. So go ahead and write down your ID and then write down your password. After that, click sign in, which is over here, and then you can successfully sign in to your Optimum Cable. So all you need to do is go to Google and search for Optimum TV Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen, which will take you to this site. Now you can log into your Optimum ID and you can write down your password. Click sign in and then you will be logged into your Optimum TV. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.